Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a full Pixverse AI tutorial, step by step. So you might be wondering, how do you actually start using Pixverse AI? Well, if you haven't heard yet, Pixverse AI is a free online tool that lets you create videos from text or images. It's super beginner friendly. First things first, head to pixverse.ai. You'll need to create an account. Click Login at the top right, then select Sign Up. You can enter your username, email, password, and complete a simple CAPTCHA. Or, easier, sign in with Google, Apple, or Discord. Whatever works for you. Once logged in, you'll see your credits. These are what you spend to generate images or videos. Free accounts have limited credits, but upgrading to Standard, Pro, Premium, or Enterprise gives you more monthly credits and more advanced features. The homepage also shows examples of content generated by other users, like a salad animation, paper dinosaur, or a cat video. You can recreate or download any of these. It's a great way to explore what's possible. To create your own AI content, click Create. You can select your model like V4 or G5. Choose duration, resolution, ratio, and even add sound. Some features may be limited in the free version. Next, pick a style: clay, cyberpunk, anime, 3D animation, or comic. You can also adjust camera movement, horizontal, vertical, zoom in or out, plus motion, peak mode, or multiple image generation. On the left, you choose whether to generate content from text or images. Enter your prompt at the bottom, like, make this character run from a shark. This is your blueprint for what the AI will create. Click the plus button to add an image. This helps the AI base the video on a specific visual. You can set duration per clip, like 8 seconds or 5 seconds, and use the magic brush to animate static objects. Adjust your effects, transitions, style, and speech if you want. Check all settings, including camera and motion, to ensure your video comes out exactly how you imagined. Once everything looks good, click Create at the bottom right. It costs around 60 credits to generate. Depending on server traffic, it might take a moment for your video to render. Hover over your video to preview it. If it's not perfect, tweak your prompt or settings. Sometimes the AI needs extra detail to understand exactly what you want to see. You can also create and select characters, describe their story, and have them act in your scene. This adds a lot of customization and makes your videos more unique. Spend time on your prompt and settings. Be specific. AI works best when it knows exactly what you want. Play around with effects, transitions, and styles to get your desired result. And that's how you get started with Pixverse AI. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more AI tips and tricks. Catch you next time.